Today I'm starting to build my own operating system for content creation and management. A system that generates videos, voiceover, images and publish everything automatically. In this video I will show you exactly what I'm installing and how I'm putting it all together. First of all, we need a Claude Code subscription. I'm using on the smallest one, 20 on the Pro version. Then you will need to install Remotion. We have here the skill. Then you will need an account on Kie.ai. From here you need to extract the API key. Then the next one, we will need also an account on ElevenLabs. You need to create an API key and copy. Of course we need Google Antigravity. And the last one is Blotato. Oh, and I forgot, you need also to use the tempfiles.org. So let's start. I will open Antigravity, and on my computer I will create a folder called TribeOS. Inside it I will create a demo file. It doesn't matter what the name. When I click on it, it will appear here Claude Code. Please note that you need to install Claude Code in Antigravity. If you don't know how to do it, you need to click on extension, then click on Claude Code, and here it will have a install button. Because it is installed, it will not ask me again. Okay, now let's go again. I will open here Claude Code. I can close this one, and I can close also this agent. And here I will add a very long prompt. Let me explain you how it is. If you want to read it, I want to build a fully automatic content machine using Claude Code. The goal is to create a complete pipeline that can generate scripts, voiceover, generate images, render videos, and automatically publish content across platforms. Your role is to install all these tools. Here I'm giving to Claude Code all the tools I need. Remotion, generate videos. I gave them, this is the command. Then ElevenLabs. Here I will add the API. Do not copy this because I will disable once I will publish the video. I will choose the voice ID. Then I will use Nano Banana too. Again, I will give to my to Claude Code the API key. Here are a few details. Again, I will use Blotato API. Here, when you click on API in the settings, here in API, you have the copy setup command. Again, I will regenerate the API key after I will finish this video, so do not bother to copy. Blotato will give you this exact command. Then I will need the MCP plugin, Telegram. Claude just released this, and you can follow along, but it is optional. Then I will need another this video source downloading, FFmpeg, if you don't have it already in your computer, tempfiles.org, and that's it. Now I will make sure I will click this to edit automatically, and I will start. It will take a few moments to install all the things. Let's see how what I have already installed, and what Claude Code will install for me. As you can see, I have installed FFmpeg. If you don't have it, Claude Code will install it for you. It will take a few minutes, but take a look. I have the smallest plan, and let's see the usage. I will refresh, and now it is 1%. Let's see at the end if I'm not forgetting how much it will take. until Claude will finish. Here is the entire prompt. Please pause it and copy exactly as it is, or you can do it better if you want. This one will be published in my Skool community. Let's wait until it finish. Okay, I think it was finished. Now let me check how much I use from my plan. As you can see, 8%, it's not 50%, is not so much. It seems Claude Code finished installing everything. Now let's make a test. I will go to this page from OpenAI. Let's see if Claude Code can and Remotion can generate a video based on this page. So I will go back to Antigravity and I will add a very simple prompt. Please create a vertical video for TikTok using this link, and I'll hit enter. Now it will take a few minutes. Let's see if it will work. I tested this several times and for me it worked very well, but let's see.
OpenAI just dropped GPT 5.4 Mini and Nano, and they might be the most important AI models of 2026. GPT 5.4 Mini runs 2 times faster than the previous version, with coding, vision, web search, and computer use, all built in. Then there's GPT 5.4 Nano, the cheapest model in the lineup.
Next time when you generate something, it will not take so much time, but let me show you on my YouTube channel the videos I just created yesterday. Take a look.
This is Claude Cowork, a new mode that goes beyond chat. You give Claude access to your local files, type your task, and walk away. It asks clarifying questions, like how detailed you want the output. Then it works through every step on its own, reading.
Now let's go back. Maybe it is ready, not ready yet. It seems right now it's installing Remotion. It was not already. I think he used FFmpeg. Okay, I think it is ready now. Let's see if it has also sound.
OpenAI just dropped GPT 5.4 Mini and Nano, and they might be the most important AI models of 2026. GPT 5.4 Mini runs 2 times faster than the previous version.
Let's see if it is ready here. It's still working. Until then, I want to find also another news. Let's take this blog post. This one, I think it will work very well. Let's see if it's already finished, this one, because I want to show you it will work faster if everything is installed.
OpenAI just dropped GPT 5.4.
Okay, the video is ready. Now let me create a new video. Please use this prompt. I will speed up the process because I don't want you to wait so much time. I'm sure your time is very valuable.
Claude just launched directly inside Microsoft Excel. And it's not just a chatbot, it understands your entire spreadsheet. Ask any question about any cell and get instant answers with exact citations. No more hunting through 50 tabs. Run what-if scenarios on your financial models without breaking a single formula or dependency. When you hit a RF error, a circular reference, or a broken formula, Claude finds it and fixes it automatically. And you can turn any repeatable workflow into a one-click skill. Build once, run forever. Claude for Excel is trusted by enterprises on Microsoft Foundry, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Vertex AI. Install it now from the Microsoft Marketplace.
Now please list using Blotato my Instagram account. Can you post on my Automation Tribe Instagram account this video?
Microsoft Excel. And it's not just a chatbot, it understands your entire...
Now let's take a look how much spend from my usage. As I've told you, I have a small plan, 72%, but from now on it will not take too much credits anymore. Now let me show you another example. I have a better prompt. Let's read it a little. I wanted to create a video using Remotion, but not something basic. Think more like a modern animated social media video, dynamic, smooth, and visually engaging. I already have 2 images from my website and I want you to use only this. Don't generate anything else. Do not use Nano Banana or any other image tools. Just take the 2 images and bring them to life with animation. Use it from the Claude Code link. The background should feel cinematic, something like leaks, soft movement, a bit of glow, not static. Also, the text is very important. Make the captions big, bold, and easy to read. Animate them nicely, not just appearing, but moving, scaling, maybe even coming in word by word if it fits. Everything should feel smooth and modern. I don't want static scenes. Add movement everywhere, zoom, slight parallax, transition, etc. Think like you're creating a high-quality TikTok or YouTube short ad. The first second should grab attention, the rest should keep it. Please structure everything in Remotion code with clear scenes and reusable components if possible. Make it look premium. Now I will launch this one. And I will come back when it is ready, because it will take a few minutes. I will speed up the process a little, because it will take a few minutes until it will be generated. Until then, please, I recommend you to go to my Skool community, Automation Tribe. I will leave a link in the description, and join the community, because there I will post more examples and more prompts. Now let's see how this video will look.
Claude just launched directly inside Microsoft Excel. And it's not just a chatbot, it understands your entire spreadsheet. Ask any question about any cell and get instant answers with exact citations. No more hunting through 50 tabs. Run what-if scenarios on your financial models without breaking a single formula or dependency. When you hit a RF error, a circular reference, or a broken formula, Claude finds it and fixes it automatically. And you can turn any repeatable workflow into a one-click skill. Build once, run forever. Claude for Excel is trusted by enterprises on Microsoft Foundry, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Vertex AI. Install it now from the Microsoft Marketplace.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you like the outcome. In the next tutorials I will show you even more advanced videos. Thank you. Bye bye.